Well, this is it. I am now 20. And today, I got myself here is a Emerson Penbrooke Select ceiling fan from April of 2018. Yes. Got it off from eBay for a decent price, good amount of price. Only reason why I got it, because, you know, I have a lot of Casablancas, and I was like, yeah, right, I have a lot of Casablancas, so for my 20th birthday, I want to get something Emerson. Yes, Emerson, because, you know, I don't really see a lot of Emersons in my area that often. I've only seen Carrera Grande Ecos, a traditional Snugger, Curvas, Lofts, 1895 series, like Maui Bays also. So those are a few things I can say off the top of my head of which Emerson fans I know. So yeah, let's take a look. Model CF5100, Blade Select, limited lifetime motor warranty, uses a K55XL motor, the original K55XL, not the K55XL copy used in some of the modern Fanco, Quorum, and Savoy House mirror fans. LED light fixture adaptable, optional accent lighting. However, if it weren't for Emerson's fan division to go under, I would have actually loved to buy the AL200 uplight. Spans 44, 54, 60-inch blade span. Could use an AL100. I mean, that was at that time when you were able to still get AL100. Yes. And yeah, I got a 54-inch blade span. Same thing on the back. I'm not going to show the other side. It's hard to actually look at it, but yeah. I don't want to put my information online, so you know what I mean. What's that I got? Let's see. Get the best position off of it. B7DM is dark mahogany. And yeah, since I don't have anything K55, I figured, why not? So, yeah. Just place that's underneath so I don't scratch any finishes. So, yeah. Go ahead and unbox it. Starting with the blades first. Okay. Magnetic blades. Dark mahogany. Okay. So we're going to get into the fun stuff. The motor. Right here. So all the fun begins at the motor. So, position that. Get another camera. Yeah, I've been looking for an Emerson fan for like a long time, but I have finally acquired one. This one, I don't know what's doing here. Okay. Is nothing to see. Okay. Here is the literature. Here's the manual itself. In with the hardware bag, the optional uplight wire, canopy, okay. Two switch housings. This one's the no light option, the no control option. Should a RC K55 control be used. There's nothing. Here is the switch housing. Emerson always uses 5UF and 7UF. For their speeds, 5UF for low and 12UF for medium. Very nice, smooth, nice old chain here. Really nice. Finish is really unique. As the fin reverse switch. Here. Real nice that Emerson included two switch housings. Always nice. Mounting bracket. Coupler cover. Four and a half inch down rod. Five blade arms. 5 blade arms. Sealed. And then get to the motor itself. And this is the motor. Pull it out. Yes, here's the motor. So this is the motor itself. It is from April of 2018. Which, as you know, the first 2 digits of the letters represent year. A would follow as 0, B would follow as 1, C will follow as 2. The third letter indicates month. A for January, B for February, C for March, and so forth. Similar to Casablanca, but I did it differently, and there's no day on it. 15A01 doesn't really mean anything. It has a K55XL. Yes, heard stories that they're not as good as the K55, but it's still really nice to find a K55XL fan. It is 4-5 blade adaptable, and it's really neat. And the slots in here are quite easy to access the blade holes. I'm actually very glad they have slot. They have the interlocking feature for the blade arms, which is really nice. Very cool. Very cool. I really like it. I don't know who else actually has a video of the Penbrooke fan other than Christian, aka Fantastic Fans on YouTube. He has one in oil rub bronze, so yeah. Pretty neat. Alright. Just want to point out that this is it. A 20th birthday gift I'm actually happy about. And this one's 4-5 blade adaptable, so yeah. So, there you have it. The 54-inch Emerson Penbrooke Select from April of 2018. Yay. It is my 20th birthday gift, so I'm happy about it. So, actually really happy to finally acquire one. I might try to crack open the motor house and see when if it has a 10 US start value, because some fans like the Raphael II and the Raphael Tiffany has a 9 UF for the start, and then the Kitty Hawk has 11 UF for the start. So yeah, that's about it with the Emerson Penbrooke Select. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.